COVID-19 pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide and present an unprecedented challenge to public health, food system, and the world of work. In fact, it gives crisis in education as well. We are pushed to have the new normal education system. To still meet the objectives or competences set by the Department of Education. Students are expected or required to do their modules, but the point now is it gives anxiety and depression to some of them due to the lack of support from the people around them. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced an unprecedented global shutdown. We all suffer from physical, emotional, and even mentally because of this unexpected global pandemic. As a youth to today's generation, I want to build a strong and solid bond to everyone amidst the pandemic through sports and recreational activities that will help us to cope up. I want to be the source of hope and inspiration to everyone who's been feeling down because of unending circumstances brought by this pandemic. Now is the time to work solidarity to stop this pandemic and its shattering consequences. Clark Edward M. Gomez, Bachelor of Elementary Education, representing the juniors.